All right, let's kick off the show. It's spooky, yet fancy at the same time. And it's an easy project to dress up your place and get in the Halloween spirit. Get ready to DIY a festive sugar skull arrangement.
Okay, well, we're just gonna sit here and wave with this guy for a little bit. But this is Ashley Scherer here with the Makery KC, and this is one of the most fun DIY Halloween projects.
Yeah.
I mean, oh my goodness, we're looking at flowers, we're looking at skulls. How did you come up with this?
You know, it's just kind of that happy whimsical of creepy meets cute. So you can keep your kids happy with the scary skulls and fun hands. And it can also, you know, dress up your decor a little bit.
Can we please say this is the most adorable place setting for Halloween?
Isn't that sweet? A great tablescape with the flowers. You can use real or faux flowers. I'm going to show you today with some faux flowers here. And
can we take a look at all the materials we would need?
Yeah, so I grabbed this from the Dollar Tree. So we're talking like DIY on the cheap.
Cost $1, yeah.
Right. So I grabbed the hand and the skull, and then get some paint if you want to kind of dress it up, make it a little bit more modern, adding the bright white to it so it really pops with your decor.
And I noticed that that's chalk paint. Is there a reason we went with that?
I like it because it dries quickly. So, you know, DIY, most of the time you want it to go pretty quickly because you've got kids running around or things to do. So, and then if you want to go a little bit more modern, high gloss, that'll give it that really ceramic modern look. And then you're just gonna cut this guy open. I went ahead and started him with an X-Acto knife here. And then I used some scissors for just kind of some quick and easy clipping. And you're just gonna pop his skull.
And there's a reason behind this, right? We're not just performing surgery or using the scissors unnecessarily. You're gonna put something inside of it.
Yes, so once we get this guy out, we're gonna stuff him with some floral block. And this is where you could go faux or you could go real.
Okay.
The floral block, you'd want to put like a little Ziploc baggie or something in there to block the water. And then just wet it down, and you can cut real stems and stick some real pretty fresh floral in there.
Okay, and you've actually done this over here. So what did you use to cut the floral?
Just the scissors, and I kind of, you know, it cuts real smoothly, so I just kind of sliced it, held it up, and, you know, kind of sized it that way. And it's just really in there to anchor everything in.
Okay.
So if it's not all the way full, that's all right.
And you've got all these fun decorations. I can tell that you've really gone for this fall Halloween vibe.
Yes, I'm loving all of these fall dark colors with a little pop of, you know, like a bright yellow or orange is real pretty in there.
So we want to find a couple orange ones maybe to start with?
And I love to start with the big blooms.
Big blooms,
and I kind of just anchor them in there. You can grab that guy right there.
Okay.
And then once you've got your big guys in there, you can just start kind of going around with some filler. Put these like little spooky.
Oh, these are so fun. We are flying these flowers everywhere right now. They're just
floral is definitely a big decor that you'll see everywhere right now. And it's just, you know, there's really no wrong way to do this. Just kind of fill them full. Add some greenery to make it look a little bit more organic. If you put, you know, too many just blooms in there, it'll start to look like a fake flower arrangement. So it's fun to kind of just add the greenery into there.
Well, that's not fun. Now let's talk about this. Have you done this with real flowers, and how does that add a different element?
Yeah, the real flowers is great because you get that, you know, nice aroma, and it's just, you know, fake flowers today, they're so great with all the variety that you have, but there's just something to be said for a real bouquet sitting on your table. So that's just such a fun way to kind of dress up your table or your entrance.
Okay, well, how did this end up looking? Pretty good?
Perfection, yes.
Okay, Ashley, thank you so much. And yeah, so we also want to touch on this. You painted this so that they could kind of go together.
Yeah, yep.
And then over here, how did you do this? Because this is a really cute pumpkin, but something's a little bit different than the other ones.
Right. You can find fake pumpkins everywhere now. And just to add a little extra variety, we splatter painted that one just to give it a little pop to it. But I mean, you can spray paint them gold, paint the stems. So many fun ways to kind of dress up just traditional fall decor.
Okay, and with our colors over here, we did the pink, we did the orange, and of course added in like grays, greens, true fall colors. How did you come up with the color scheme for this? Because, I mean, we're looking at some really fun pumpkins.
Yeah, so I kind of go with the trendy fall colors that you're seeing, like in all the wardrobe and clothes, and I just kind of warm it up so that we're not so traditional with the browns and the reds and the oranges.
Well, I think the rose gold certainly does that.
Yes.
Ashley, thank you so much. This was such a fun DIY.
Yeah, thank you.